Nixels, amalgamate! Next. There he is! At long last! We finally get to meet the leader of the Nixels! The king of black and white himself, King Nixel! Alright guys, I'm going to have to move you all to the side. There. Now let's get started on drawing King Nixel. As you have noticed, in the first episode of Season 2, he was revealed after Major Nixel found out that there were Mixels on the moon. His first appearance appeared. We saw his first debut on that special. What he looks like in Season 1. That was really insane. We never really got to see what he actually looked like until he got his second appearance on Quest for the Mix-a-Majig. We saw his body design. That mysterious black masked figure. He had a plan to rally up all the Mixels into one and threaten to destroy Mixanity. And that the only colors would be black and white. And then he made a return on Nixel Go Away. That was the final episode we got to see Mixels on. And successfully, King Nixel was destroyed. Well, I don't know how or why. But I got a feeling that he might come back. The dude hates anything in color. Along with his henchmen. Here's his crown. Here's his black cape. Alexa, play Spaceballs by Majestica.
Here's Spaceballs by Majestica on Amazon Music.
This is the perfect theme song for him.
If you're living in a bubble and you haven't got a care, well, you're gonna be in trouble, 'cause we're gonna steal your air. 'Cause what you got is what we need, and all we do is dirty deeds. Watch out with the space balls. With the master of space, don't mess around with the space balls. Going cruising in a spaceship, we're so good at being bad. We'll destroy your little planet if you ever get us mad. We're mountains of the galaxy, you better scatter when you see. Watch out with the space balls.
And complete.
Space. With the space balls.
That's how you draw King Nixel, the great leader of the Nixel Empire. So get this. King Nixel, this guy was a and events that appeared in 2015. Each year, each wave contained one nixel that they used to build this special figure. I thought they'd change the design just for the fun of it, but when they found out about King Nixel, turns out they were assembled into one entity. That's this guy. I collected all of them and formed the evil King Nixel. So much for that. I even expanded it, including adding some of the nixels I found in future packs. That's all for now, folks. This one goes out to all the nixels that I collected. That's all for now. Sega Store, see you later. This is my first one. Until next time, Nix!